Hello guys, I want to share with you my new keyboard that I got from Amazon a couple of weeks ago. It's called Nixius Moda V2. It's a 10 keyless keyboard which doesn't have number pads, so it's smaller. It's very sturdy, heavy and sturdy, and it's mechanical, has mechanical switches. The switches are not cherry switches, but they're pretty good, and they use the same color coding like blue, brown and red. These are designated brown switches, but when I type on them they feel more like cherry red switches. All the keys feel very solid, uh, and the keyboard itself feels very solid and nicely made. The cable cannot be detached, not very thick, with a kind of plasticky rubbery coating. Can be routed through either side or through the middle. There are two LEDs, one for caps lock, another one for, I don't know, scroll lock, I guess. That's pretty much it. And the model number the serial number starts from 2016, so suppose it's like last year model. It comes with a key puller and several keycaps. So this one I already replaced Windows keys for Mac keys, because this is my keyboard that I use at the office and we use MacBook Pros. So I replaced Windows key with Command key and Alt key with Option key, and for some reason they provided two Command keys and one Option key instead of giving me two Option keys and one Command key. And you can see the Option key looks a little bit different, so it's a small deficiency, small downside. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with this keyboard. And I was so happy with this keyboard that I decided to buy another one for my home office, and I found a better price somewhere else at Newegg. So I bought same model, Nixius Moda V2 on Newegg. I bought it for like $10 cheaper, so I thought I had a great deal. It looks different. I mean, it's kind of similar, but different in every small detail. The casing is different, it's heavier, the screws are in the front and in the back instead of being screwed through the plate, the main plate. There are no LEDs for caps lock and scroll lock. I think there is LED for caps lock under the caps lock key, but because the key is not translucent you cannot see it anyway, so it's kind of weird. It does come with a key puller over here, but there are no Mac keycaps, and even the instructions say that there is keyboard, cleaning brush, keycap puller, warranty card, but no Mac keys. So that's a downside. On the plus side, the braided cable, which has the strain relief, that's great, but it comes from the back and cannot be rerouted to either side, which to my opinion is downside. But the biggest difference is different keys, I mean different switches. So when I type on this keyboard, it gives distinctly different feel than this one. And at first I even thought that this one was fake, but when I submitted my review to Newegg, the seller replied that this is a newer model, it's 2017, right? So if this is indeed a newer model, I don't like where Nixius is going with this redesign, because I think this is cheaper feeling keyboard and I'm going to return it. So now I'm going to type on either of the keyboards and you're going to make your own opinion whether you like. I mean, obviously you cannot make an opinion about keyboard just by watching YouTube video, but at least you can hear the sound of the keys, and in my opinion the newer one sounds cheaper than the older one, which sounds and feels more expensive. So after you heard me typing on the keyboard, I don't know what kind of opinion you can make. I showed it to several other people. 2 people didn't care at all, but they are not into mechanical keyboards. 1 person actually preferred the newer one. I prefer the older one. Make your own choice. Maybe buy from one place or another, but just be sure that the same keyboard comes with the same name. May have totally different variations depending on model year or I don't know, the phase of the moon or whatever, because despite that it's designed in USA, it's made in China, and whenever stuff is made in China, it gets copied, 2 or 3 months later, and you can have item which is labeled, have the same label but totally different content, totally different feel. So I'm happy with the keyboard that I bought from Amazon, and that's all I can say about that.